Hello, Virgo. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for sharing your energy with me. This is a general reading for your Virgo placements for the last 2 weeks of September. Virgo, tapping into your energy, I like it. It's just this feeling of joy, happiness, unexpected. It's like you're going to be finding something out. You're going to be meeting someone. You're going to be getting something. I don't know. What did I say? Yep. Universe. Water chalice. The universe is bringing you a new emotional state through something. It's a surprise. Interesting. It's a surprise. Happy birthday, Virgo. The universe is bringing you a gift. Yep. The universe is bringing you a gift. The moon. It's a surprise. You don't see it coming. You don't see all of it. You don't see all of it, Virgo. Interesting. Okay. Make sure you're drinking your water, please. King of Pentacles. 3 of Wands. 6 of Wands. 8 of Wands. I feel as though you are taking steps to ensure your stability. You are taking steps to bring something into fruition because you want this. You are doing something so that you will move forward. You're not giving yourself a choice, and the universe likes that. Interesting. Okay. Oh, I like it. You might have a Leo coming for you. Just saying. Okay. 8 of Swords. Ace of Swords. Caught up in your head about doing this. Death. Scorpio energy. Hierophant, 10 of Cups, and Lovers. Gemini, Taurus. Yeah. In your head about taking this action because it will mean a complete change. But here's the divine stepping in, saying, yes, you can do this, you can have this. You make this change, Death card. You make this change, you take the action, Ace of Wands. It's your choice. It is your choice, Lovers. You're figuring out what's real, what's an illusion. What can you really do? 3 of Cups, Strength. Holding on to a dream, Ace of Pentacles. I'm loving this. I love this. I think you're going to figure it out, a way to do it. Knight of Wands. You've got 2 knights here. You have watched so much pass, so much time, so many opportunities. You allowed yourself to be held back by illusions, that you're not willing to do that anymore. You're grounding this into reality to make sure that you can do it, even if it means taking time, taking control. Emperor. 2 of Pentacles. Don't work yourself too hard, okay? Your ships are coming. Your ship is coming. 3 of Wands, 2 of Pentacles. Your ship is coming. Balance yourself out. Drink water. All right? You are going to be finding the path. 9 of Cups. That is happiness after heartbreak, being up in your head, but you have thought about this. You're taking action. This is you. deciding, ooh, what is this about? Seven of Swords, Devil, you Empress, you've been through it. Someone stole from you and you see it. And it may have just been time or energy. It's their words causing doubts in your head, and you're not going to be a party to it. You will not be a party to anyone that is putting any doubts in your head. You will make sure that you manifest. That's simple. That's easy. And whatever this new emotional state that the universe is bringing in for you that is joyous and just like, oh, that's so awesome, it's because you've earned it. All right? So don't think that you haven't. It's time to let everyone live in their own negativity if they choose. You are seeing where someone is holding themselves back and you can no longer wait. You're no longer waiting on anyone or anything. You're deciding to take your own path. You're deciding to be you because you know that there is more. And you are watching your back. You're watching your own back. You've had the luxury to be around people that do actually care and have your back, and that has recharged you to be able to do the same for yourself. Okay. Let's get these put away, and then I'm going to pull some more cards. I don't know what the universe is bringing in over here. I'm not allowed to tell you because you won't let a surprise come in. You won't allow a surprise to come in because you're always, you got to know. I got to know. I got to know. Well, universe is saying not this time you don't. Allow the surprise to happen. You don't need to know everything, Virgo. Sorry. But how can I plan accordingly? How can I plan for the future if I don't know what's coming in? Exactly. Exactly. Allow yourself to be surprised. This is not something you need to plan for, love. Okay? 8 of Raphael. Strength again. 9 of Gabrielle. Perfect. 8 of Raphael. There is something better waiting for you. Do what you know is right. A spiritual quest. Strength. Strength and grace through kindness, self-confidence, and forgiveness. And what is interesting is the Strength card is coupled with the 9 of Gabrielle. Stay determined and move forward. Be prepared for any possibility. Okay? You have the strength to continue to move forward. You know that there is something else waiting for you than where you're at right now. And that could be physical move. It could be job move. It could be a relationship move. Could just be mindset move. All right? Ooh. Hello. If I can figure out which one it is. Ace of Water. Shut up. Okay. Ace of Water and Water Chalice over here. Same card. New emotions. First love, infatuation, attraction, lust, longing, excitement, and passion. And I have something to say about this. An exciting beginning. Take a leap of faith. Open your heart. Follow passion's lead. A new experience or opportunity. A new friendship. Stop fighting your feelings. Free of fears. Influence. Oh, Virgo. If you are meeting someone Yes, be open to it, but don't make it more than what it is. Let it play out naturally, okay? Yeah. Wow, universe might be bringing you in love. I don't know, but free of fear's influence. That means amazing. Be in the mindset of gratitude, okay? The perfection of your life. Oh God, what does this say for Virgo? Perfection. Yeah, I know not all Virgos are perfectionists, but guess what? You are within yourself about yourself. I know this. The perfection of your life, number 30. Have you ever seen a storm pictured from above? It can appear to be so beautiful and elegant. This is certainly different to the ground view, which can be quite a violent experience. So too, there is great beauty in your life now. However, at this point in the natural process, you may be experiencing it as anxiety-inducing rather than beautiful. You may sense it as internal chaos. You may feel it as something that is waiting to erupt from within, as a restlessness or an anxiety you cannot quite articulate, but sense vaguely nonetheless. Perhaps the chaos is fully fledged and a person or situation in your life is causing all kinds of havoc, upheaval, or change and uncertainty in your world. You may be forced to make a change, Virgo, but it's for the better, okay? Whether the chaos seems subtle, strong, internal, or external, this oracle brings the same message for you. All is unfolding according to a perfect higher order. You are currently enduring a cosmic spiritual storm which is having an impact on you. It is clearing things out, ruffling feathers, and preparing you for that lovely, super fresh, uplifting feeling that one experiences after the storm has finally passed. It's exactly what's happening. If you have drawn the oracle of after the storm as well, this message is amplified for you, even if you've not chosen that card but feel intuitively drawn to read the message for it, blah, blah, blah. You are encouraged to do so. Okay. Healing process. Say this, and I'll pause after each few words. I give thanks for the higher order of my life, which I trust implicitly as it guides me into wholeness and love. From that which appears as chaos, new order is rising. I trust this and receive the gift of higher order in my life. Through grace and mercy, so be it. You guys want to see who was howling? Come here, baby. Come here. She doesn't want to come here. Okay, she's camera shy. All right, you guys have a beautiful day. Go howl your own song. Go howl at the moon, Virgo. You guys know I love you. Peace to you. Ciao.